Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Nawaz English. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Friends, today we are gonna have an interesting topic, and the topic is which is more important, either money or education. So in this video you are gonna experience something new. So let's have some glimpses.
Hello everyone, I am student of Nawaz English. As we have been given a topic which is more important, money or education. You must be wondering that being a student, I will choose education. But no, I am with money. Let me tell you why. Because I believe that without money, you can't have education also. Not only education, but to have anything in this world, you must have money. Nothing is free in this world. To buy anything in this world, you must have money. Apart from this, lack of money is the root cause of all the problems. Nobody can even think to live happily in this world without money. Somewhere it is said that before you become philosopher, become rich, because nobody listen to poor philosopher. So if you are educated person and if you can't fulfill your own desire, people will not listen to you. They will not respect you. And though if you have food to eat, if you have shelter, if you have house, then only you can think to have education. For me, education is something like a desire. You can see the beggars on the road. They don't have food to eat, they don't have their own shelter or house, so they never think to get education. They only give priority to money, because for them money is most important thing. So I believe that people respect money, they don't respect educated person. I have a question for them who believe that money is the most important things. This is the pen through which our future is decided, isn't it? So could you please tell me that how much you spend to get this pen? Thank you.
Now I would like to call Zoha. What do you think? What is your opinion?
Hi everyone, I am Zoha Haq, and before holding this mic, I am thinking what should I choose? So it comes in my mind that being a girl, education is more important for me. So I like to go with education. As my sister Shrishti mentioned that beggars sit beside the road for money, not for education. Yeah, she is right. But yeah, she is right that that the beggars keep asking for that money belongs to me, money belongs to me. But if somehow they were educated, then money would say that I belongs to him, I belongs to him. And look, there are two things. One is important and the another one is more important. Which will you choose? You will definitely go with the another one, the more important one. So the very same thing implies in case of money and education also. You are paying money for gaining education. You are paying important thing for gaining more important thing, right? And the other thing is education is that treasure which will never end. You may face ups and downs in terms of money, but you will never face ups and downs in terms of education. No one can snatch it from you. Once you get the education, no one can take back from you. Thank you.
Okay, so now I would like to know from Mantasha, what is your opinion? What do you think?
Hi everyone, over the controversies going here, I will go with education. Education plays a very vital role in our life. Without education, we have no significance of ourselves. Education teaches us how to talk in a society. Educated person has a more respect in the society than a richest man. Without education, we don't know where to spend, where to manage our expenditure. Education teaches us how to spend money or manage our expenditure. You know what? We started learning at the age of 3 years, or when we started speaking. Our mothers started taughting us about the very basic things like color's name or the body part's name, and many more things. Yes, she doesn't teach us how to make money or how to become a richest person in the country in the future. Yes, as Shrishti concluded that how much this a pen cost, my answer to her that this pen was really discovered by a very educated person of our country. He uses his education in just to make our life easier. We use this pen to acquire knowledge. Thank you.
Well said. So now I would like to know from Danish, what do you think, like which is more important, either money or education?
Hey, good evening everyone. This is Danish Fatah, and differentiating between education and money is as similar as differentiating between air and water, because both are really essential to live a nice life. But here I will go with money, because when we talk about important and more important, money is more important thing. Yeah, I do agree that money is not everything, but everything requires money. To live a happy life, one should have enough money in their pocket. If they are not educated, if they are not degree, it doesn't matter. It will make him or her happy or sad. But if a person, he don't have money, he will be sad automatically, because education can't feed you, education can't feed your family, but money can. So here we all know that, and the needs and requirements itself shows the importance, and everyone need money. Money is everyone's requirement. And I would like to say that there is a very famous movie, I think you all have watched that movie, Scam 1992. There was a dialogue that अगर जेब में पैसे हो तो किस्मत में अगर सनी भी हो तो उसका कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. So it means that if you have money in your pocket, and if it doesn't matter if there is Saturn in your horoscope, and I would like to say that an illiterate one or an uneducated person can't be a teacher, but a person who is wealthy and who is having enough money, they can build a school or a college or institute, and they can hire lots of teachers. That's it. Thank you.
Very nice. So Danish actually wanted to say that where there is money, there is honey, right? Yeah. So now I would like to call Mahvish. What do you think, like which is more important?
Hello everyone, it's Mahvish, student of Nawaz English. So today we have been given a topic to speak about which is more important, money or education. So I'll go with the money. Money is not everything, but it's something very important. Money gives us freedom and it helps us to know our standard of living. If we don't have money, we can just compensate our life like the poor ones. People say that if we have education, we can earn money, but if we don't have money, how could we be educated? That's a big point to say. Let us take an example. If we go to a shop and ask for something to buy, they will give us, but if we show them our degrees, they won't give us the goods. But if we pay them the money, they will definitely give us the things which we need. So money gives us all of the requirements to fulfill. That's it. Thank you.
So very good, Mahvish. And now I would like to know from Sadiq. So what do you say?
Hi, my name is Sadiq Tehseen, and I have chosen education because after birth we start learning, not earning. It shows the importance of education, and education is the key to turn a weakness into strength. And money only can buy objects, not the thought process. And education can create so many objects. It opens so many doors to earn money. And money can buy only like computer and mobiles, but can't control it without education, can't use it without education. As Danish bhai mentioned that with money we can build school, colleges and hospital, but you still need to run it educated person. You can't you can only buy, you can only build school and colleges and hospital, but you can't run it without educated person. And it shows the importance of education. And Shristi mentioned that nobody listen to poor people. I must say APJ Abdul Kalam was very poor, and he got a chance to tour all the world, and people although he is no more, but still people love to listen to him on the YouTube. It shows the importance of education, so I chose it. Thank you.
Very well said. And now I would like to know from Atika, what is your opinion towards, what do you think, like which is more important, either money or education?
Hello everyone. As we have got a topic through which we have to speak about which is more important, education or money. As we all know that education is important nowadays, but I would go for money, because we all know that we can't get education and knowledge in our lifetime. We need money to sustain our life, because it help us to sustain our life, just because we can feed up our family and live a good livelihood with it. And education is for a certain time, that is limited, that we can get our degree from a certain limit, but we cannot live without money, as we need it for our lifetime, because there are so many things that we cannot be able to do without money. And nowadays we can see that there are so many things going on in the world, and there are so much of rise in price in everything, and so for that we don't need education. Yes, we need ideas, but for that, to implement those ideas and to spend how we have to spend our money in that thing, we need to get that idea. But definitely nowadays, as per we see in the coming generation and the situation going on in all of the world, we can see that money is the most important thing that we need in this life and to sustain our life. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushi Khan. I'm a student of Nawaz English. Today we got a very interesting topic, that which is more important, money or education. I'm in the side of education, because I think money is a materialistic thing and everyone run after money just to earn it. But it is something that we cannot hold in our whole life. It will have to vanish out one day. And education is something that we can hold it in our whole life. Education is a property which we can take anywhere, and no one can steal education from us, but anyone can steal money from us. And education make us that much aware that we can distinguish between what is good and what is bad. So I think education is more important than money. Thank you.
So next I would like to know from Bushra, like what do you say, what do you think?
Hello everyone, it's Bushra. I'm the student of Nawaz English. As everyone gave their opinion, I would like to say education is most important, because if you are educated, you can earn money. But if you are only money, we don't know how to behave in front of everyone. If we are educated, we can get respect from everyone. As Srishti said that educated people not get respect, you are absolutely wrong. Educated people get respect from everyone. If you have only money, you can get respect, but for those people respect you for their own sake, they are genuinely not respect you. But if you are educated, everyone respect you from their heart. Let's take an example of teacher. He is not giving us money, but he gave their knowledge to us. So we respect them so much. Why? Because education is most important. Thank you.
So well said by Bushra. I would now like to know from Asad. Asad, what is your opinion?
Good evening everyone. My name is Asad Akhtar and I am a student of Nawaz English. So I am going to discuss about which is most important, education or money. So I want to speak about money because it's everything. You all are heard from old age people. They always speak. People never speak. Only money speak. People nothing do. Only money do. That the things. The only money. If you have money, you can acquire all the things. Not only education and luxury life, it gives family and enjoyment also. If you have money, you travel different place and explore the world and meet different people, and they adapt their living standard and lifestyle. That's the thing. And my brother mentioned that if you made a hospital and a school, you need a educate person. But educate person come for money. If you do not have money, no one come with you. Come with give you services. And we are not coming simple. First we pay money, then we are coming for taking the education. So the money come first, and after by complete. If you suppose completed your education and you want to open your enterprises and farm, you need a money. Suppose some guys, some boys are poor, no father will come to him for marriage her daughter, only the rich guys. So the world is moving toward money. It's not mean they are greedy. They know the understanding, they understand the meaning of survival. If you want to survive in this world, you need a money. So thank you.
Very well, Asad. I think I would now like to know from Habiba, like, what is your opinion? What topic have you chosen, money or education? Money. So do you really believe that money is something that allows you to buy anything or everything on this planet? What is your opinion?
Hi everyone, my name is Ume Habiba. As we all have been given a topic which is more important, money or education, so I'll go with money, because money is very essential in our life. For everything we need money in this world. For our every small needs we need money. In this modern era of time, we can see that. Have you ever seen any educated person giving free education to anyone? So they run for jobs, for serving their family, and for serving their family, what do they need? They need is money. So money comes first, and for gaining education also we need money. You all must be thinking that we can go to government schools and we can gain education from there, but it's not as simple as we say, because when we go to government schools, we do not get the proper amount of knowledge which we need to get educated. We can see that many people, they have degrees, but they are running for jobs. For what? They are running for jobs because they need money to serve their families. So we can say that money is very important. Thank you.
All right, very good. Now I would like to know from Sania, what is your opinion?
Good evening everyone. I am the student of Nawaz English, and I am the side of education, because I believe that education is more important than money, because money can only fulfill your needs, can complete your needs, but the education, if you have a dream to become something better in your life, if you have a dream to earn something better, so education will help you to do something better in your life. And money is required for us, but education is also needed for our life. And and everyone has money, so many people in our earth, some people are poor and some are rich. So it means everyone has money according to their earnings, according to their profession. So a well-educated person is not easy. It is not a cup of tea to become to be a well-educated person. I believe that education is most important, because a millionaire can be respected somewhere, but a educated person will be respected everywhere. Thank you so much.
Okay, so now I would like to know from Ashiya, what do you think, which is more important, either money or education?
Hi guys, I have chosen money. As you know, money is important to fulfill our needs in our life. No one get education without paying money. There is no institute which provides free education to anyone, to any child. Money is something that is very important in our life to spend a happy life, to fulfill all our desires in our life. We need money. What we want to become, we need money. We have to spend money on our future.
Okay, so give it to me. So you are supporting money, right? So don't you think that being educated is more important than having money in your pocket? Because as she mentioned that the one who is educated, are respected everywhere. So don't you think that education is something which actually gives you an identity in your life?
Yes, education gives identity in your life, but for getting that identity, we need to spend money. So we need money in our life, so we have to work hard to get money in your pocket. If we have money in our pocket, then only we can get educated, then only we can live a luxurious life. And if we have money in our pocket, if we are living a luxurious life, then only we can give someone else that chance to live life like us. So I think money is more important than education. For getting education, we need money. Thank you.
Good. So is there anyone who want to speak something more about your money and education? You, Danish? Again. All right.
As my colleague said very well about education, but I would like to ask them that have you ever seen and have you ever visited a slum area where the poor people lives? In the evening, the poor people, the family, the boy, the child went to the market, went to the shop to earn their daily wages, not to the school, because they know the need of money, they know the importance of money. I just want to know about from you that are you agree with me or not? Is anyone wants to answer me? And I have another question, that as you are saying that education is more important than money, so just suppose that if someone comes to you for your marriage proposal and the guy is an aspirant of IAS, okay, so will you be ready to get married with an aspirant, or will you be ready to marry an IAS, and why? Because an aspirant to have knowledge, they too are educated.
Who is the first one?
The first one is an aspirant, the one who is preparing for IAS, and the second one is the one who is become an IAS. Whom will you choose and why? I just want to know from the one who choose education.
Your question is that the one who will come marriage proposal, the one who will come for marriage proposal, whom will you choose? The one who is completed become IAS officer, and the one who is preparing for IAS officer. Obviously they both are educated person, and if your question should be like this, that the one who is millionaire and doing nothing and not educated and he is illiterate, and the one who is become a IAS officer or preparing for a IAS officer, whom would you choose? So I would say, I must say that IAS officer would be better for the one who is millionaire and who became the millionaire and doing nothing and not educated person. So I would say that IAS officer would be better choice.
All right. Do you? You? Okay. Just a moment.
Okay, being a girl, I think that our parents will definitely not allow us to go to a person who is struggling, right? Our parents will definitely not allow us who is the person who is struggling, because our parents want us to be with that type of person who is totally and perfectly standardized, right? Who has that capability that can serve me, right, from their earning. So no one wants to marry that person who is struggling, rather than marrying that person who is totally like they can sustain our life. Being a girl, it's a choice of parents. Our parents don't think that we should marry a girl to be sacrificing their life, to be tolerant, but rather than we should get in touch of those people who are perfectly stabilized. So this is the only thing as per.
You want to say? Okay.
Yes. I heard someone says that educated people are respected everywhere, and the one who has money in their pocket, they are not respected. I want to say that there are the many peoples who are roaming here and there with their degrees, and they are not respected. But the day when they will have money in their pocket, people will start respecting those. So if anybody is there who want to say.
You said that the many of graduated persons are there who are unemployed. So I want to say that there is so many persons who are unemployed because there is some reasons. They haven't been taught in a right way, and they are not competent. That is the reason behind it. They are unemployed. If they have talent, so they don't need money. Their talent will show their talent will make them to show themselves in front of anyone without any fear.
I want to ask you that, as you said that it might be possible that they are not getting the proper education, and they are not much curious about their study and their practice. So how can you say that? We all know that to become an IAS and to become a doctor or to become an engineer, they need to work hard, and everyone works hard to become something in their life. And the ultimate purpose to become something to earn money. And the second question I would like to ask you that if someone, a beggar, comes to you, what you will give to them? Amount of money or pen or copy?
I'd like to answer your second question, that if a beggar comes to us, what will I give to him? I definitely give him a money, but I too suggest him, if he or she is in a age to get education, then I definitely suggest him or her to go to any other government school and take some education. Then he will not then there will be no need to beg to someone, because government schools are also providing food.
So I think that. All right. So is there anyone who wanna reply? You again? Okay. You.
So my sister mentioned if a person who is graduated his completed his degree, I try to say something. If a person completed his education and they have lot of talent and they need to start a business and enterprises, so he can't stand in business and enterprises on a basic of the talent. He need money to stand building and everything. Thank you.
All right then. So lastly, I would like to know from you, what is your opinion?
Hello everyone, myself Chandan Kumar Mandal. Well, for the topic, some of my friends says that education is important, and some of says money is important. But in my opinion, both the aspects are important. If we have both the money and we are educated, then it allows us to understand what we need and what we want to live a life in better way. If I put this in another way, then if money is the essence of our life, then education enhance our life in better way. So according to me, both the education and money are important. Thank you.
So thanks everyone for participating. The topic we have already spoken. So, and thanks to viewers for watching my video. Thank you so much. See you soon.